Samsung refrigerator model 27 trillion rupees 5561SG error codes. Samsung's Family Hub side-by-side large-capacity refrigerator is beautifully designed with a minimal display dispenser, modern design that blends beautifully into your kitchen, and a finish th. Error codes. Code 1E, 5E, SE. Problem: power outage. The refrigerator will not dispense ice or water until it is fixed. Fix: press amp. Hold energy saver button amp. Lightning button simultaneously for 15 seconds. Code 88, 83E, 85E, 86E. Problem: power loss. Each can be displayed if the power goes out or flashes off. Fix: unplug the refrigerator, wait at least 60 seconds, replug. Code: flashing of. Problem: cooling off mode, often caused by a door left ajar. Fix: close the door, wait for the refrigerator to cool down. Code: PC error. Problem: door and main unit disconnection. Fix: make sure there is nothing preventing the door from sealing. Wipe off any dust or debris from the top of the door. Code 26E. Problem: bad water valve or ice maker. Fix: replace the water valve lower rear of unit. Make sure the ice maker is turned on, thaw any fill tube blockages, and verify the temperature is below 8 degrees F. Code 24E, 40E. Problem: freezer defrost malfunction. Fix: thaw frost buildup. Remove freezer contents and back inner wall of freezer. Use a hair dryer to melt any ice frost. Reassemble wall. Press and hold upper right and left buttons simultaneously to reset. Code 25E. Problem: faulty refrigerator defrost. Fix: verify that the defrost timer and control board are functioning properly. Replace them if not. Code 23E. Problem: condenser fan issue. Fix: make sure the refrigerator condenser fan is receiving power. Supply power if not, replace the fan if power is not the issue.